What do you guys think again? Yeah, I think it looks awesome. I think it looks cool. Yeah, I think it looks amazing. It looks extraordinary. I think it looks fantastic. So basically, I just want to go on this plane and fly the hell out of it. Basically, pretty much, literally, basically. Yeah, I can do that. Right, let's go in. Go, you can go in first. What? Me? Oh, wait. Gang, 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 gang. What do I do then? Why did I gas time? Yeah, why did I gas time? Yeah, why did I gas time? Yeah, why did I gas time? It's gas time. No bombing shit, bullshit. Oh yeah, that's shit. That bullshit. Why you actually start going there, going there. No, why you get stop it, stop Oh, you're gonna ruin it. You wanna ruin it. You're gonna ruin it. That's why it's together, guys, y'all. No, don't do it, don't do Gas. You silly! Are you fucking serious?